Now let's begin with part 2 percentage. In part 1, we have understood what do you mean by percentage. Now in part 2, we are going to go through some examples. Let's look at this first example. 25% of 60. So whenever it is 25% of 60, percent means upon 100. So 25 upon 100 multiply. Of means what? Multiply by 60. Now, when you have to convert it into a find the answer, you have to reduce it. Now, what you will reduce over here? This 0 will get reduced with this 0, numerator and denominator. Now, you have to reduce. 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10. Now, you can see you have a 2 over here and a 6 over here. So, you will again further reduce to Again you will further reduce to 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. Then you have to multiply what you have in the numerator, that is 5 and 3. So 5 threes are 15. So your final answer is 15. That is option number 3. Now let's understand through few more examples. 4% of 500. Again, when you have a percent, it is nothing but 4 upon 100. Of means multiplication 500. Now again you have to reduce zeros. So 1, 2 zeros will get reduced with this numerator. So you have 5 and 4 in the numerator. So 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. So your answer is option 4, 20. Now, what is 75% of 60? So, 75%, you know that is upon 100. So, upon 100, of means multiplication and then 60. Again, you have to reduce it. So, first we have only the 1 0 and 1 0. Now, there is no another 0 in the numerator. So you have to reduce with 2. 2 threes are 6 and 2 fives are 10. Now you have 5 over here and 75. So again 5 ones are 5 and 5 ones are 5. 25 remains and 5 fives are 25. So it is nothing but 15. Now you have in the denominator 1. So you cannot reduce it further. So your final answer is 15 threes are 45. Option number 4. So now let's take few more examples. Now in a library there are 5,400 books. Out of it 12% are related to the language. How many are related to the language? 12%. So you have to find out 12% of 5,400. Now again percent means upon 100. So now you have to reduce. This 0 will get cut with the numerator. So what is left in the numerator? 12 multiplied by 54. That is 648. Option number 3. Now this is a question related to the fraction. Now determine the percentage of a shaded region. Now how much is the shaded region over here? See, this is a shaded part, this is a non-shaded part. So we have 1 upon 5 is a shaded portion. Now what I explained you in part 1 of percent, we need always 100 in the denominator. So you must find out the pairs of 5. So 5 multiplied by 20 will give you 100. So multiply numerator and denominator by 20. So you will get 20 upon 100. Whenever you have 100 in the denominator, you can write down the percentage. When you have 5 in the denominator, you cannot write direct percent. So that is why we have to multiply it by 20. So pair of 5 is 20, what we have learnt in part 1. So now what is our final answer? It is 20%. Option 3. So let's begin with the next question. And this is very important. These type of questions come in competitive exams. So there are 45 students in class, out of which 20% took part in science quiz. How many students did not take the part? See, it is very important. Did not. They are not asking you how many took part. How many did not. So first you have to find out the proportion. So what you will do? 100 minus 20 is equal to 80% who did not take the part. So now we have to find out 80% of 45. So percent means upon 100. So 80 upon 100 is equal to 45. Now you have to reduce. 1 0 will get cut with this. Then you have to reduce with the table of 2. 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. Now what you will write? You have to again reduce this 5 and 45. Now 5 ones are 5 and 5 nines are 45. So what is your final answer? You have to multiply 4 nines are. So 4 nines are 36. 36 did not take the part. That is option 2. So hope you are clear with this percentage chapter. So do revise and watch both the parts so that you understand percentage thoroughly.